Castor oil and baking soda. Here's what happens when you mix them. You've likely heard of castor oil. This thick golden liquid has been trusted for centuries, soothing dry skin, easing joint pain, and even supporting hair growth. On the other hand, we have baking soda, that common kitchen staple with a reputation for everything from removing stains to brightening teeth. But what happens when you mix them? At first glance, combining a heavy oil with a fine fizzy powder might sound a little strange. What could possibly come from such an unlikely duo? As it turns out, quite a lot. People across the globe have been using this simple blend for powerful at-home remedies, treating stubborn skin problems, relaxing tired muscles, and more. In today's video, we're diving into this fascinating combination. We'll explore the unique properties of castor oil and baking soda, uncover the science behind why they work so well together, and walk you through practical ways to use this remedy in your own home. If you're a fan of natural health solutions or just curious about a safe, affordable treatment that's been passed down for generations, this is one you'll definitely want to try. Let's get started. Section 1. What is castor oil? Castor oil is a thick, pale yellow oil extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. Its use dates back thousands of years, with roots in ancient Egyptian, Indian, and Chinese medicine. Historically, it was a go-to remedy for everything from treating wounds to relieving constipation, and today it's still a staple in many households for natural healing. So what makes castor oil so special? The secret lies in a unique compound called ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid that gives castor oil its powerful properties. This single ingredient is responsible for the oil's natural anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and ultra-moisturizing effects. That means castor oil can help fight bacteria, reduce swelling, and deeply hydrate the skin. One of the most well-known uses of castor oil is for promoting hair growth. Whether applied to the scalp, eyelashes, or eyebrows, many people swear by its ability to strengthen and thicken hair over time. But its benefits don't stop there. It's also widely used to treat dry skin, fade acne scars, minimize stretch marks, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles, thanks to its deep penetrating nourishment. Castor oil is also known as a natural laxative. Just a single spoonful can trigger bowel movements by stimulating the intestines. However, because of its strong effects, this method should only be used under proper guidance. What truly sets castor oil apart from other oils is how deeply it penetrates. While many oils sit on the skin's surface, castor oil goes beyond the outer layer, reaching deep into tissues. This makes it an effective remedy not only for surface-level issues, but also for muscle soreness and joint pain. Section 2. What is baking soda? Next up, let's talk about baking soda, also known by its scientific name, sodium bicarbonate. This fine white powder might look simple, but it's one of the most versatile and powerful substances you can find in your kitchen, or practically anywhere. At its core, baking soda is an alkaline compound, which means it neutralizes acids. That's why it's a popular natural remedy for heartburn or acid reflux. Just mix a small amount with water, and it can bring quick relief. But its uses go far beyond that. When it comes to skincare and home remedies, baking soda shines. Its alkalinity makes it excellent for calming irritated skin, soothing itchy rashes, and relieving insect bites. It also works as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells, clear out clogged pores, and smooth rough textures. That's why you'll often find it in DIY face scrubs and masks. But that's not all. It's a natural deodorizer too. Whether it's your underarms, feet, or any area where odor builds up, baking soda helps absorb and neutralize unpleasant smells. It's even used to whiten teeth, freshen breath, and clean minor wounds thanks to its mild antibacterial properties. What makes baking soda even more appealing is its affordability and simplicity. Just a teaspoon or two, mixed with water, oil, or another base, can go a long way toward improving both your health and your hygiene routine. Section 3. Why combine castor oil and baking soda? Now that we've explored the individual powers of castor oil and baking soda, here's the real question: why mix them? The answer lies in how beautifully their qualities balance and enhance each other. Castor oil is thick, soothing, and deeply nourishing. It hydrates dry skin, reduces inflammation, and penetrates deep into tissues to help repair and rejuvenate from the inside out. Baking soda, on the other hand, brings the cleansing and purifying action. It gently exfoliates, clears away dead skin, draws out toxins, and balances pH levels on the skin. Together, they create a powerful combo. Castor oil delivers healing and moisture deep below the surface, while baking soda clears the way. removing debris, bacteria, and buildup. The result? A treatment that can tackle a variety of skin issues, ease muscle tension, and refresh the skin at both surface and cellular levels. In short, castor oil and baking soda don't just work. They work together, enhancing each other's effects and offering a natural solution that's gentle, yet incredibly effective. One works deep below the surface, the other clears the way from above, and together they create a remarkably effective natural remedy. Picture it this way. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, sweeping away dead skin cells and unclogging pores. This not only cleanses the skin but also opens it up, allowing castor oil to absorb more deeply and deliver its nourishing healing benefits right where they're needed most. Their teamwork doesn't stop there. While baking soda's alkalinity can sometimes be too strong on its own, the rich fatty acids in castor oil help counteract that harshness. This creates a balanced blend that's powerful yet gentle, making it safe for use even on sensitive skin. Another major benefit? Both ingredients have antimicrobial properties. That means this duo doesn't just soothe the skin, it helps fight off harmful bacteria, reduce inflammation, and support the body's natural healing process. Whether you're dealing with breakouts, rashes, scars, or even minor skin infections, this combination offers a multi-layered approach to relief. And this isn't just folklore. Many people who've tried this simple mix say it outperforms store-bought creams for certain skin concerns. While it's not a substitute for professional medical treatment when needed, it's a wonderful natural remedy to keep on hand, safe, affordable, and surprisingly effective. Let's dive into one of the most popular and effective ways people are using the castor oil and baking soda mix at home: fading dark spots and pigmentation. Dark spots can develop for various reasons: sun exposure, acne scars, hormonal shifts, or simply aging. And while the beauty market is full of creams and serums that promise quick results, many of them come with a hefty price tag or contain harsh chemicals that may irritate sensitive skin. That's where this natural remedy steps in as a gentler, affordable alternative. Here's how it works. Baking soda acts as a mild exfoliant. It helps slough off the layer of dead skin cells that make dark spots appear more noticeable. It also stimulates circulation in the applied area, which can boost skin regeneration. Meanwhile, castor oil brings in its healing magic. Loaded with vitamin E and nourishing fatty acids, it helps reduce inflammation and supports the growth of new, healthy skin. To try this remedy at home, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of castor oil. You'll get a thick, paste-like consistency that's easy to apply. Apply the mixture directly onto the dark spots. Steer clear of the eyes and other sensitive areas. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off gently with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. For best results, use this treatment 3 to 4 times per week. But remember, this is a natural solution, not an overnight fix. Be consistent and patient. Over time, many people notice their complexion evening out and their dark spots slowly diminishing. And don't skip the sunscreen. Even the best natural treatments won't make a difference if your skin continues to suffer sun damage. Think of this remedy as a supportive, long-term companion in your skincare journey, not a miracle cure, but a trustworthy ally. 2. Reducing scars and stretch marks. Scars and stretch marks are incredibly common, reminders of life's changes, whether from weight fluctuations, pregnancy, surgery, or breakouts. While cosmetic options like laser treatments or chemical peels exist, they can be expensive and sometimes harsh on sensitive skin. That's where the castor oil and baking soda duo shines as a gentle, cost-effective alternative. It may not erase marks overnight, but with regular use, it can gradually improve the appearance and texture of the skin. Castor oil is particularly prized for its ability to promote collagen production, a key player in skin repair and elasticity. Thanks to its deep penetrating qualities, it works beneath the surface to nourish the skin from within, helping to soften rigid scar tissue and restore suppleness over time. Baking soda, on the other hand, acts as a mild exfoliator. It helps slough off old, damaged skin cells while encouraging the growth of fresh, healthy skin beneath. When combined, these two ingredients form a powerful team, one that's been used by many to reduce both acne scars and stretch marks. What's more, massage enhances the effect. The circular motion not only aids absorption but also stimulates circulation, speeding up skin renewal. How to use it. Mix 1 part baking soda with 2 parts castor oil to create a smooth, spreadable paste. Apply it directly to the scarred or stretched areas. Massage gently in circular motions for 3 to 5 minutes. Leave the paste on for 20 to 30 minutes afterward. For deeper absorption, you can place a warm towel or heating pad over the area. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Repeat this treatment at least 3 times a week. While minor scars may start to fade within a few weeks, older or deeper marks could take a couple of months to show visible change. But the beauty of this natural remedy is in its gentle, steady transformation. No chemicals, no high price tag, just your skin gradually becoming smoother, softer, and more even. 3. A natural remedy for cysts or lumps like sebaceous cysts. Sebaceous cysts are small dome-shaped lumps that form beneath the skin, usually caused by a blocked sebaceous gland. Though generally harmless, they can be bothersome, especially if they become irritated, swollen, or infected. Rather than immediately turning to surgical removal or medications, many people explore natural options first, like the tried-and-true combination of castor oil and baking soda. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a powerful compound with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. It helps to calm swelling and discourages bacterial growth around the cyst, reducing the chances of infection. On the other hand, baking soda acts as a natural cleanser and detoxifier. Its alkaline nature is believed to help draw out impurities and bring the contents of the cyst closer to the surface, making it easier for the body to either drain or reabsorb the lump. How to use this remedy? Mix equal parts baking soda and castor oil into a thick paste. Apply the mixture directly to the clean, dry skin over the cyst. Cover the area with a cotton pad or gauze, then secure it with a bandage. For enhanced results, place a warm compress, like a heated towel or warm water bottle, over the bandaged area for 15-20 minutes. This improves circulation and helps open pores, allowing the remedy to work more effectively. Leave it on for several hours, or preferably overnight. Repeat the process daily for at least a week, or until you notice improvement. Many people report that the cyst gradually becomes smaller, softer, or even vanishes with consistent use. However, it's important to pay attention to any warning signs. If the cyst starts to grow rapidly, becomes very painful, develops a foul odor, or changes color, stop using the remedy and consult a healthcare professional immediately. While this natural treatment isn't a guaranteed solution for every type of cyst, it offers a gentle, non-invasive alternative that may help reduce discomfort and promote healing, especially when used in the early stages. 4. Soothing joint and muscle pain, the natural way. If you've ever dealt with aching joints or sore muscles, you know how much it can slow you down. While over-the-counter creams and medications provide relief, they often come with side effects or short-lived results. For those seeking a gentler, more natural alternative, the combination of castor oil and baking soda offers a surprisingly effective solution. Castor oil is renowned for its deep penetrating, anti-inflammatory properties. It boosts circulation, reduces stiffness, and helps soothe discomfort in joints and muscles. Meanwhile, baking soda supports this process by neutralizing lactic acid buildup in the muscles, a common cause of post-exercise soreness and fatigue. When blended together, they create a warming paste that comforts sore areas and promotes healing. Here's how to use it. Combine 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda to make a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to the affected area and massage gently in circular motions for a few minutes. Cover the area with a warm towel or heating pad and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. This simple treatment can be especially soothing after workouts, long periods of sitting or standing, or during flare-ups of mild arthritis or muscle tension. While it's not a substitute for professional care in more serious cases, many people find this remedy to be a safe, natural, and drug-free way to relieve everyday aches and pains. 5. Detoxifying the skin, a gentle, natural reset. Every day, your skin battles environmental stressors, pollution, toxins, bacteria, and product buildup. Over time, this constant exposure can leave your complexion looking dull, clogged, or tired. That's where the powerful yet gentle duo of castor oil and baking soda steps in as a natural detox solution. Baking soda acts as a mild exfoliant and pore cleanser, helping to slough off dead skin cells and unclog pores. Meanwhile, castor oil penetrates deep into the skin, drawing out toxins while delivering intense moisture and anti-inflammatory benefits. Together, they refresh and rejuvenate your skin, leaving it cleaner, softer, and more radiant. How to use it? Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of castor oil to form a smooth, spreadable paste. Apply the mixture to your face, or any area that needs a detox, avoiding sensitive regions like around the eyes. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with warm water and gently pat your skin dry. Use this treatment once or twice a week, not daily, to prevent overexfoliation. It's especially beneficial for those exposed to urban pollution, who wear makeup frequently, or anyone looking to give their skin a natural refresh. 6. Healing cracked heels and fighting foot fungus, a simple at-home remedy. Your feet take a beating every day, walking, standing for long hours, wearing tight shoes, and yet they often receive the least care. The result? Cracked heels, rough patches, fungal infections, and unpleasant odors. But a simple blend of castor oil and baking soda can help restore your feet to health. Castor oil deeply moisturizes and nourishes dry, damaged skin, making it ideal for healing cracked heels. Baking soda, on the other hand, helps fight odor-causing bacteria and fungal infections thanks to its antimicrobial and cleansing properties. When used together, they create an effective DIY foot treatment that soothes, softens, and refreshes tired feet. How to use it? Start by soaking your feet in warm water for about 10 minutes to soften the skin and open up the pores. Pat your feet dry, then apply a thick layer of the castor oil and baking soda paste, 1 TBSP castor oil, plus 1 TSP baking soda, to the affected areas. Massage it gently into cracked heels or any problem spots. Cover your feet with socks and leave the mixture on overnight. In the morning, rinse off and enjoy noticeably softer skin. With consistent use, this remedy not only improves the appearance of your feet, but also helps reduce fungal issues and odor naturally. It's a simple, cost-effective alternative to expensive foot creams and treatments. 7. Removing skin tags and warts. Naturally, skin tags and warts might be harmless, but they can definitely be bothersome. Many people have found that the combination of castor oil and baking soda helps reduce, and sometimes even eliminate, small skin tags and warts over time. Here's why it works. Castor oil keeps the area hydrated and helps break down the excess skin growth, while baking soda works to dry out the tag or wart. With regular use, this duo can naturally shrink these unwanted bumps. To try this at home, mix castor oil and baking soda into a thick paste. Apply it carefully only on the skin tag or wart, avoiding the surrounding healthy skin. Cover the area with a small bandage or tape, and repeat the process daily, preferably before bedtime. Some skin tags or warts may fall off after a few weeks, though results vary from person to person. A quick note: always consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure whether a growth is safe to treat at home. So there you have it. 7 surprisingly effective uses of castor oil and baking soda when combined. From easing sore muscles and fading scars to tackling stubborn skin tags and detoxifying your skin, this simple mix is a powerful, budget-friendly option made from ingredients you probably already have. Keep in mind, natural remedies require consistency and patience. Results aren't instant, but with time, many people notice real improvements. Always do a patch test first to check for any irritation. And if you face serious or persistent issues, it's best to seek advice from a healthcare professional. Nature often provides the simplest solutions, and sometimes all it takes is a spoonful of oil, a pinch of powder, and a little curiosity.